Hey everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe to two different Guyanese drinks. One is called Mauby, made from the bark of the Mauby tree, and the other is called Swank, also known as lime wash or lime water. These drinks are very simple to make and I hope you enjoy them. Now let's get right into the recipe. For Mauby, you're going to need about 5 pieces of dried orange peels, 18 pieces of whole cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, around 15 pieces of Mauby bark, which as you can see here, they vary in size, and 2 cups of brown sugar. Also, all of the ingredients and measurements are in the description box for your convenience. Next, you're going to boil some water in your kettle or on the stove and pour it into your pot like I'm doing here. Once that's done, you're going to add all of your ingredients, give it a stir, and then cover your pot and leave it on your counter overnight. At this point, it's been a day since I prepared my Mauby, and as you can see here, I've strained all of the ingredients and spices out of the liquid. The next step is to pour your Mauby out into a pitcher or anything you want to pour it in really, and then my mom's special ingredient which she taught me is to add 2 bottles of white cream soda from the brand Grace. Then you're going to give it a stir, taste for sugar, and you can add more if you prefer, or you can just leave it as is. I chose to leave mine as is because I liked the taste this way. Now, your final step is to just pour yourself a nice glass, add some ice, and enjoy. As easy as that. Now that we're done our Mauby, we're going to move on to making our swank. I've squeezed the juice out of 20 key limes and I've strained both the pulp and seeds out of the liquid, as you can see here. Next, I'm going to add 11 cups of water to my pitcher and then add in my lime juice, giving it a nice stir. After this, I'm going to add 1 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and also 1 cup of white sugar and stir all of those ingredients together. I know that swank is traditionally only made with brown sugar, but I like the sweetness that white sugar adds to the drink. Now I know this seems like a whole lot of sugar, but that's because key limes tend to be on the tartier side and I prefer my swank to be on the sweeter side. But when you're making your swank at home, you can add more or less sugar to suit your taste buds. You can also add 1 teaspoon of mixed essence or vanilla essence to your drink as well, but this part is optional. Now the last thing left for me to do is pour myself a nice refreshing glass of swank to enjoy in this summertime heat. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As you can see, these drinks are super simple to make and I hope you give them a try at home. If you do, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram so I can repost all your yummy recreations. If you liked this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and leave all your comments down below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.